Hello everyone, welcome to Stars of Knowledge Lender channel. We are here with the complete review of today's IELTS examination, that is morning and evening slot both for 2nd December 2021. So let's start a review. In the morning slot guys, in the listening in part 1 there were fill in the blanks up to 2 words or a number. That was easy. In part 2 there was multiple choice questions and a map to complete. Part 2 multiple choice questions and match the information with the options given. Part 4 fill in the blanks, 1 word. For the reading in the morning slot, passage 1 included true, false, not given, fill in the blanks and selection of letters. The title of passage 1 was Hippocrates, the Greek physicians. In passage 2 there was match the information and fill-ups. And the title for the passage 2 was Hydrogen cars. In the passage 3 of reading, which paragraph contains the information and yes, no, not given, and the title for passage 3 was The Invisible Thread. Further talking about the writing, in task 1 there was a line graph and the title of the line graph was The graph below shows the number of overseas visitors who came to the UK for different purposes between 1989 and 2009. Summarize the information by selecting and reporting the main features and make comparisons where relevant. Task 2, the topic was These days more fathers stay at home and take care of their children, while mothers go out to work. What could be the reason for this? Do you think it is a positive or negative development? In the evening slot, listening was easy and reading was easy to moderate. And for the writing, in task 1 there was a bar graph to explain and topic for task 2 was Human activity has had a negative impact on plants and animals around the world. Some people think that this cannot be changed, while others believe that actions can be taken to bring about the change. Discuss both and give your opinion. So guys, this is the complete review of today's IELTS examination, both morning and evening slot. Thank you so much for watching your video, and if you did your exam today, then best of luck for your results. Take care. Thank you. Bye-bye.